Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you've been dreaming about upgrading your outdoor space but don't want to splurge on new furniture, this video is for you. Today, we're diving into an exciting outdoor furniture makeover. With just a few simple tweaks, you can transform your patio or garden furniture into something stunning and new. Let's get started. 1. Fresh paint for a new look. One of the easiest and most effective ways to give your outdoor furniture a makeover is with a fresh coat of paint. Choose a weather-resistant paint in a color that matches your outdoor theme. For a sleek modern look, go with neutrals like black, white, or gray. Or, if you want a pop of color, try something bold like turquoise or sunshine yellow. 2. Add new cushions and pillows. Next up, we're going to refresh your outdoor seating by adding new cushions and pillows. This is where you can really have fun with patterns and textures. Choose outdoor fabrics that are weather resistant, durable, and UV protected. Whether you prefer tropical prints, minimalist stripes, or classic solids, cushions can completely transform the look and feel of your furniture, instantly making it more comfortable and stylish. 3. Accessorize with throws and rugs. To take your outdoor furniture makeover to the next level, don't forget to accessorize. Adding outdoor throws and rugs will create a cozy and inviting space. Look for materials that are fade resistant and designed for outdoor use. Layering a soft rug under your seating area can tie everything together, while throws add warmth and texture for those cooler evenings. Plus, it's easy to switch up your decor whenever you like. 4. Lighting and finishing touches. And finally, no outdoor space is complete without the right lighting. String lights, lanterns, or solar-powered fixtures can make your outdoor area feel magical, especially after sunset. Add in a few plants or decorative pieces like outdoor candles or side tables, and you've got a fully transformed space that's ready for relaxing or entertaining. These finishing touches will make your outdoor furniture makeover feel complete and cohesive. And there you have it, a stunning outdoor furniture makeover that's easy, budget-friendly, and guaranteed to elevate your outdoor space. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell to avoid missing out on more DIY tips and home makeover ideas. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.